early as possible.
Ukli nang yalam ka United Democratic Party UDP ba met ba lingdo hakas ngi ba ar uloong baka Seng kala ban shim yakarai haka bantung ya General Secretary bathamai haka jingelang Central Executive Committee CEC kabala kmi lenti banlong haka tayo baningkong jong ubnai naitung Ula pentikina ba ka Seng kala pediang ya ka jing eno kam jong General Secretary barim uba Jeminu mautho bat kumba kalong menta ka nika kam kadang sa theli uba lingdo ula penskem ru ba ka UDP ka yai biteng ha ka ban kieu ha ka jing klan jongka ha ka leng ka jilla da ka benrap ba baro ki MLA ka Seng bat nong yalam ki ya teli lang ka wei bat kut jing mut na ka benta ka ju ka thong.
The media, I think, with regard to this, that the next CEC will sit and discuss about this resignation of, not resignation, basically, to elect the new General Secretary of the party. Yeah, we have accepted, I should say. We have accepted, yes. The next CEC, in fact, we have a plan for this month end. But if not, perhaps maybe sometime in the first week of July. There's nothing to hurry about that also. But as a party, we should have GS.
Ha ka jing pen kre